So, what is good, everyone? Listen, so today I've got an early pair of sneakers coming in, which of course we're going to be taking a look at. Now, I've also got a couple extra sneakers, I don't know if you can see them down there, that I also want to show you guys. Some really insane shoes, which I just think are crazy. Anyway, we're going to unbox all of that. But I was just thinking to myself, like, why don't I just take you guys along with me through my day? So today, we're going to do a kind of something a little bit different, kind of like a little bit of a vlog. So what are we doing today, you might ask? Well, normally I go to the gym. Now, currently it is 10 a.m. as you can see, hopefully on here, 10 a.m. So normally I go at like 6 a.m. but today I decided to again make this video, do it a little bit more relaxed. So we're actually gonna head to the gym now, and then hopefully the package would have got here by the time I get back, and then we can unbox it. You get the point. Obviously we can't rock up to the gym wearing this, so let's get ready for the gym. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing too, so we can't be wearing these, that's for sure. So let's start off with pants. My favorite gym pants have got to be the 247 Represent pants. So today I'm training upper body, which means I don't need to be squatting or anything like that, so I am just gonna chuck on these Under Armour tee. This one's really nice because it hugs the guns, and that's what we need in the gym. Shoes, we're going with the Ultra Boost 21. You guys have seen these a bunch of times. Now, hoodie, I actually really like this one. This is a Pretty Boy Ugly World. Crazy brand name. They actually sent me this one. I'm gonna be wearing this to the gym. Look at that graphic on the back. Represent 247, looking nice and stretchy. That's what you want in the gym. Nice little Pretty Boy Ugly World hoodie. Can you see the graphic? Black cap, and we are ready. Let's go. Alright, so some of you have been watching the channel for a while. You know who my brother is. Now, listen, I get comments all the time of like, yo, who's that guy that looks exactly like you on TikTok? Because he does a lot of TikTok videos. Anyway, to cut a long story short, we're gonna give him a ring because recently he's been starting a sneaker collection. He might not pick up. We'll just... Hey! I just basically wanted to call you up because I'm doing a vlog. Look at that, you're on camera, dog. Now listen,
even warning me, bro.
I'm taking some risks. I'm taking some risks bringing you back on the channel because last time I had you on, people were rioting. They hated you, man. So I'm taking another risk, bringing you back on. You tagged me in a post on Instagram the other day where we're kind of flexing your new collection. I was like, this guy, he's out here in Australia collecting sneakers like they're Pokemon.
Dog, it's that TikTok money.
You got TikTok money now, son?
Slightly embarrassing, but you caught me unprepared.
So, you got the thongs on with...
We got the Havanas. Damn, bro. Okay, so let me get some...
Hey, nobody want to see your busty toes, dog.
I've got a separate thing for the nice shoes, but the poverty on the floor. We got some running shoes here, some Continentals, Yeezys, some Ultra Boosts, obviously Vans, leg day shoes, more Ultra Boosts, but then... Football boots?
Where's the heat, bro? Where's the heat?
Here's the first heat.
Sheesh.
Got the waves.
How do you like the waves? What do you think of them?
Bruh, the waves are... I mean, I'm going to show you the other shoes, but the waves are probably my number one. And that comes with a lot more weight when you see what I'm about to show you. Now... These naughties.
The Yeezys.
Third and final pair, and I
Go
haven't decided
off,
which
son.
is my favorites between the three is the Belugas.
Oh.
And these are my latest pickups. My God, I love these so much.
So which one was your first pair of Yeezys?
Zebra. I bought these in
Zebras.
2020, kept them in a box for almost 2 years before I decided to put them on the toe. I was gonna keep these and resell them, but then they restocked like 20 times since I first copped.
Hold up,
And it was
hold
the
up,
worst
hold up.
investment.
So you're telling us that you're a reseller? Is that what you're saying?
I started as a reseller because I was broke. I was out here running around in essentially van. Let me just chuck you here quick.
What else? What else?
I'm chucking it. Sorry.
Dog, we can't put this on camera.
These Asia exclusive.
What are those?
They are the Mono Cinder, I think.
Why don't you like those? Because those are clean.
I do like them, but they were too small. I accidentally copped a US 8, and I needed a UK 8.
Alright, Ning, thank you for being on my vlog. However this turns out, I'm sure the people appreciate... Well, actually, I'm gonna get a lot of shit for having you back on again, so... but either way.
Alright, bless up, brother. Shut up.
Talk soon, brother. Look like I'm in heaven with all of this white. Speaking of a sneaker collection video, listen, I understand that like a lot of you guys have asked me to make one of those, and I definitely want to, but I've been kind of thinking about the idea of like, I want to do something different. I don't exactly know what that would look like in terms of like how would I make it different. So a video is coming. I don't know what point, I haven't actually started making it, but I definitely do want to, and it will come in the future, I promise you that. It was an idea that I had this morning actually. So I was on Instagram and I realized like I get a lot of questions just in general about whether it's about sneakers, whether it's about me personally, just a whole bunch of questions through the DMs, and I really like the way that Instagram allows that to have like a conversation with you guys kind of thing. So what I was thinking of doing is a weekly Q&A over on Instagram. Now, I want to know your thoughts first of all, but second of all, I think I'm going to announce it this Sunday and actually do one. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you go and follow me over on Instagram. It is at Elliot Page Sneakers, and we'll do every Sunday, we'll have a little Q&A. You know, we need to go and unbox these sneakers. So let's unbox them. Alright guys, shall we get into this unboxing once and for all? Listen, the shoe is here. The early sneaker is in the building. So let's get into unboxing it so I can show you guys the crazy heat we've got in. First off, there's a couple other sneakers that I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so first off, this is I guess you could call it a W, but I'm not too sure about this sneaker in general. I got a Nike box. You can tell this is from Size, and I actually won the raffle, which I don't even think like that many people even cared about this sneaker. It's another pair of Dunks, guys, and here it is. This is the Dunk High Neutral Gray. So when I saw this as a raffle, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it because it looks pretty clean. You know, it kind of reminds me of the Jordan 1 Neutral Gray, but the material is just so bad. What the hell is this? It's just like, bruh. The way the sneaker itself is really not that bad. It's super plain. It's just all over white. You've got a sail midsole, some gray outsole action, of course the gray Nike swoosh, and I was just like, yo, it's a clean pair of, you know, Dunk Highs. Why don't I try them out? But now that I have them in, I'm just like, do I need these? Do I like these? I didn't even notice that. So you do get an extra pair of laces, which is something that's not common at all for a pair of Dunks. Alright, now this next pair I am a lot more excited about, and I am contemplating doing a review. So I kind of want to hear from you guys. Do you want to see this review? Because when I saw these on the website, I was like, these look insanely cool. Man, these are crazy clean. Take a look at these things. This is the Ultra Boost Climacool 2 DNA. This one is actually super different. So it takes like an Ultra Boost midsole that we know, and it also takes the heel counter, but the upper is just completely different. Let me tell you something. The material is insanely stretchy. It like is just super thin. Yeah, as soon as I saw these on the website, I thought these look insanely cool. Of course, I'll just wait to hear what you guys say, and if you want to see it, let me know. If you don't, let me know. It comes in a huge box, and it's a very heavy box as well. Balenci. Here we go. We got some Balencis in the building. Extra pair of laces in the box. You've got a card from Balenciaga, from whatever that is. Holy crap. This is... Here we go. This is the Valenciaga Defender. They come with like the usual Balenciaga distressing all over it. So it's like you get like this dusty look like they've been worn before. And I guess that's something Balenciaga has done on a lot of their sneakers. They're both size 8. And look at the difference. Just look at the size difference. Jeez, man, jeez. Let me try them on real quick. Right, so I did a little try on, walked around just very briefly, just around the room, and man, these feel insanely weird on foot because it's like they're super, I mean, I know they're round, but like the bottom is kind of rounded, so you feel like you could just freaking snap your ankle super easily. I kind of planned to do a video on these, but that plan kind of went out the window, so we're just unboxing them and we're taking a look because these things are kind of blowing up in popularity now. Like, people are really into these things, the latest Balenciaga craziness. But yeah, listen, we've got to get into that final early sneaker unboxing that we've been waiting this entire video for, so let's do it. Let me know what you think of the Balenciaga Defender. Is this something you would wear, or is this like completely out of your comfort zone? Hell no, you're never wearing it. Finally came in the mail. The problem with this sneaker is that we don't have a release date yet. They've done a crazy looking box for this. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys have already guessed or can tell by this box. I don't know how many of you know this box, but it looks pretty cool. It's gray. It's got this kind of speckling all over it. Here we go, guys. This is the infrared Jordan 4, and these are looking clean. I'm excited for this. The release is some point, I believe it's sometime next month or in June. Man, these are gonna be so easy to throw into a rotation, and they just look absolutely hard. I don't know, guys, let me know what you think of the infrared Jordan 4. Is this something you're gonna go out and grab? Again, I wish I had a release date for you guys. I think they were originally supposed to drop last year. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, this is the infrared Jordan 4. Definitely going to be doing a review. Definitely going to be putting some fits together with this sneaker. I think they go hard. We've got a bunch of really solid colorways of the Jordan 4 coming up. The military blacks are another really dope one. I think are dropping next month. Either way, this is another one to add to the rotation. If you're someone who is looking at a pair of Jordan 4s that you wanted to grab, I think it's a solid option. But yeah, wait for the full in-depth review where we can really chop it up about this sneaker and again throw it in an outfit, see how these look on foot. But yeah, just wanted to briefly show you guys this pair of sneakers, take you through my day, and just do a little bit of a different video. Why not? That has pretty much been it, guys. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.